Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're looking at another case for your Huawei Mate SC, and it comes to us from Poetic. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so here we have another case from Poetic for your Huawei Mate SC, and of course this case was meant for the Honor 7X, but it will fit your Huawei Mate SC no problem. So let's just pop this baby open to see what it looks like. Not going to make this a super long video. Shout out to Big Migs Tech for the knife. So let's pop this. Oh, this looks nice. This definitely has a carbon fiber look to it. You do get that hard plastic. Well, it's not hard plastic, it's a little bit soft, but you do get that shock protection, which is good. And on the inside, you do have the logo for Poetic, love from San Francisco. Let's see if this peels off somehow. Let's see. Will this actually come off? So it's not going to come off, and it does have a nice look to this. I'm definitely feeling that. Let me see if I can get this on camera correctly. So it's almost like a shiny carbon fiber look, which is pretty cool. So the case is not really sturdy at all, but it'll definitely do the job and definitely will be different for your device because it'll make it look beautiful just like this. Alright guys, so what do you guys think about this case? What is this case called again? Let me get the box out. This is called the Karbon Shield case. So what do you guys think? Ports look perfect as far as a fingerprint scanner. Let's pop open the manual focus for this one. There you go, looks pretty good. And as far as the lip action, you get it on all sides, which is definitely a go. Big shout out to Poetic. They actually made a really good case here. It's a little bit slippery, but it does have a little bit of texture in there, so you can definitely feel it for grip. Get back into focus. And I'm definitely feeling it. It actually looks pretty good. And you do have your logo for Poetic right there on the bottom. So if you guys want to buy this case, the link will be down below. Buttons are clicky as well. I definitely will be rocking this case with my Huawei Mate SC. And if you guys are still waiting for the review of the Huawei Mate SC, that is definitely on the way. I've had a lot of devices after that device, and I'm gonna definitely have to do this one. And it's gonna have my full attention, guys. Trust me, I will go into detail about the Huawei Mate SC. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Huawei Mate SC and Poetic cases. So, to the next video, guys. Peace. Later.